To use your portable outlet, open the dust cover, plug your device into the 110-volt input, and switch the unit on. To test the power level, press the Reset USB button on the right side. 3 lights indicate that it's 3/4 full, and 4 lights would indicate it is completely full. To charge the portable outlet, take the power supply and plug it into a power source. Make sure that you turn the portable outlet switch to the off position. Then plug the portable outlet power supply into the DC input. When the unit is half full and charging, you will notice that the top 2 lights are solid and the 3rd light is flashing. When the portable outlet is fully charged, all 4 lights will be solid for a moment, and then the indicator lights will be off. That is how you know it is fully charged. The portable outlet includes a 100 to 240 volt switching power supply. Only use this power supply to charge the portable outlet. It will not charge with any other style or brand of power supply. When traveling outside the United States, you do not need any special voltage inverters to charge your portable outlet. Just add an international adapter that is sold separately to change the shape of the plug. The portable outlet power supply will automatically switch from 110 to 240 volts when applicable. Portable outlet, power anywhere.